3 tips as an LCM piano teacher. In pieces like this, there is a lot going on. To make it easy, practice each hand separately and make sure you know exactly which fingers to use. If you place fingers correctly and practice slowly, you can start to play it well in a very short time. Start with the right hand. Pay close attention to the finger numbers and do it very slowly. And also spend extra time on bars 7 to 8 and 9 to 10 because fingers change here. You see. Then move on the left hand and practice very slowly. Place your fingers correctly. If you place fingers correctly and practice slowly, you'll see in a very short time you're gonna feel comfortable with all pieces. Always try to find repeating patterns in a piece. Here in the bar 5, 6, 7, 9, 11 and 12. We are doing almost the same thing. And even some of the bars are same, like this, and this. And here in 7th bar and in 11th bar. Here we have a similar thing. And in the 9th bar, we are using the same fingering with this, but the notes are different. So as you can see, if you find the patterns and practice them together, it will be easier. Do you want to play fast? Always count. This helps you to keep a steady pulse. It's the best way to feel secure with the piece. Start with a very slow tempo and gradually increase the speed, but don't rush. Okay, remember it. Accuracy first, speed second. Every time you practice slowly, you will hear that notes better. Let me show an example for you. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... When you do the slow practice by counting, you'll see you're gonna be fast in a very short time. And the most important tip is